How to turn shuffle play on or off on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Shuffle play is a mode of music playback in Spotify in which songs are played in randomized order that is decided upon for all tracks at once. Sometimes you might want to listen songs on shuffle and sometimes you want to listen it in the order. If that is the case, then in this video, I will guide you through the process of turning on and off the shuffle play. The first step is to open the Spotify app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened this application, make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to open up any album in which you want to turn on or off the shuffle play. As you can see, the list of songs is given over here. If you want to turn on the shuffle play, all you have to do is tap on this icon. Once it turns green, it means that the shuffle play is turned on. Now the song will play in random order. If you want to listen to these songs in the order as it appears in the playlist, then all you have to do is tap on this option again. Now the songs will play in the order of the playlist, and this is how you can turn on or turn off shuffle play on Spotify. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.